So after creating the video that I did and uploaded to YouTube on the introduction of why I'm doing what I'm doing, which is the equality for women, and trying to get some interest in the work that I'm doing and give the work to females, I set up this website at jamesstanier.com. I think I put a link on the video, so it gives a bit of introduction about what I'm trying to do as well, a bit more of an introduction. And there's the video of me helping to educate, helping to work, help with the projects, and you can submit a comment if you want, and that's it. But I thought I'd talk you through the work that I'm going to be doing on the website, because at the moment, so the work I want a social media platform basically for people to use. I think down here I put a comment, the work. I'll be creating a closed forum here to discuss this work soon, which will be on an invitation-only basis. This is in order to protect the intellectual property, but people will be invited to the website. But I have to take it. I have to develop the website offline. Basically, I can't develop it on the server that this website is sitting on at the moment. So I have to create what's called a staging environment where I can stage the website, and I'm having to do this on my own computer. I'm not going to use the hosting provider that I've got at the moment, because it's if there's any bugs, then it's easy to fix, and I'll be constantly publishing the pages, and you'll see it'll be a bit of a mishmash of pages being published and half finished. So I want to get this done properly on my own staging environment before I can upload the whole thing in a prepared version up to the hosting provider that I've got. So I will take you through what I've been trying to do with that. I have to create a server on my own computer called localhost, and I did that by first you have to install XAMPP, XAMPP, I think it's called. So you go on. I went on to ApacheFriends.org, and this gives you basically it gives you a server on your own computer, and I'm running Windows, so I needed to install this version, and I've got that here. I downloaded it here. I'm not going to take you through the installation because I don't want to uninstall everything and then reinstall everything. I don't want to get in a pickle because it's like to cause me problems. I installed XAMPP, and I will link below some websites, some tutorials that I've been following for XAMPP, installing XAMPP. So I installed that. When it's been installed, you can this is what you get if you follow the instructions. I mean, there's tutorials out there that will help you install it, and there's one on the website here that will help you. So what you do is that you start Apache and MySQL, and then you need to go to the admin page, MySQL admin page. Yeah, so I've got a WordPress site already enabled, but you go to new. I'll link it below a tutorial on how to create a new database. But you basically have to download XAMPP, which gives you PHP, MySQL, and Apache, which gives you your own web server on your local machine. But you go to new, click on new, and it will create a new database for you. So you've created the database, and then you need to go to download WordPress, which I will do here for you. You go to the WordPress website, which is wordpress.org. You go to get WordPress, download WordPress. So I've got it already downloaded. You extract it. Right, so it's zipped, unzip now. You go into the folder. You can copy this or cut it. and you need to go into the XAMPP folder and go to htdocs. Go in there, and I've already got one pasted in there, so I won't paste it. But that's where your WordPress site will be. So you put it in there, and then you go back to your browser and you type localhost WordPress. And this is the one I've done earlier. Yeah, so this is a site this is now running on my local machine. There's videos that show you how to set it up from scratch, basically, and I will link them below. Ones that I've used to help me. So this is basically the website is fresh from WordPress. But it will take you through various screens to set up the database name, the username and password to connect, because you have to create a database first, and then you have to link that database with the WordPress website, and you need to give information to set that up with the WordPress. There'll be screens to take you through that, but it'll be in the videos that I link. And I'm not sure, I'm not comfortable doing this on my machine because I have to uninstall everything and reinstall everything. And then things might clash, and I don't want to do that at the moment because I'm just setting it up. So yeah, so this is the website, and then I can go to the dashboard, and the next thing that I did was install BuddyBoss, and you do that by going to so I've gone to wordpress.org, downloaded the WordPress, and then once you've set that up, I then went to buddyboss.com/platform, which is the free version that you can get. Downloaded free now. It downloads as a zip file. So I clicked on that. Downloads as a zip file, and this is Buddy platform. This is what I downloaded. So you have that. Then you go to your website, your dashboard, and then you go to plugins, add new plugin, upload plugin, and then you browse for it. There's BuddyBoss platform, zip. And then you open that, and it will take you through. I'll link a video as well which showed me how to do this. And then I'll have BuddyBoss installed. And if you go to the components, it's got all the social media stuff which I'm going to be using. All the modules for social media, got social groups, forum, uploading media, private messaging, members, connections, emails, moderation, network search. I've got quite a lot in there. I'm just starting up. This is a package which is popular, so I'd like to investigate it. And this is why I've set it up on my local machine, because I'd like to test it first, rather than publishing things when they're not quite ready. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. As I say, I will link in the videos below, the ones that I've been following, and they're quite pretty straightforward. But this is for a Windows machine, and this is how I've been installing this my own server on localhost. This is the localhost is where you would normally put your website name. Mine is jamesstanier.com, and I would put it there. And that's the folder you're in the XAMPP directory. htdocs, yeah, that's the one. It's directory there, and that's the folder name of the directory. So yeah, that's what I've been doing, and I hope you find it informative, and I will hopefully take you through some steps, some further work that I do. I will try and keep you updated with it.